Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Magisk on Nox Player. I have already downloaded the Nox Player and this video is for education purpose only. First, open Nox Assistant and go to the Multi-Instance Manager. Then delete the default emulator and create a new Android 9 instance. It may take a few minutes to download. Once it's ready, open the settings, go to General, enable root and save the changes. Then launch the Nox Player. While it's loading, open your browser, search for Kitsune Mask GitHub and open the official page. Then download the Kitsune Mask and install it on Nox Player. After the installation, open Kitsune Mask and tap Install. Now allow the storage permission, then check the first option and tap Next. If you don't see the direct install option, simply close the app and open it again. Then tap Install once more and the direct install option should appear. So select it, tap Let's Go and wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, don't reboot yet. Now go back to the Nox Player settings, then open General and disable the root option. Now save the changes and restart Nox Player. After the restart, open Kitsune Mask again. So you will see the Magisk has been installed successfully. To confirm it, I have installed root checker. When I tap verify, it asks for root permissions, which means Emulator is successfully rooted with Magisk. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.